Candles have been a source of light, warmth, and ambiance for centuries. But have you ever wondered what's really happening when a candle burns? In this video, we'll explore the science behind candle burning and uncover the fascinating processes that make it possible. Let's start by breaking down the components of a candle. A candle consists of three main parts. The wick, usually made of braided cotton, which acts as a fuel delivery system. The wax, which serves as the fuel for the flame. And the flame, the visible result of the burning process. Together, these components create the mesmerizing glow of a candle. The wick plays a crucial role in candle burning. When you light the wick, the heat melts the wax near the top of the candle. This liquid wax is then drawn up the wick through a process called capillary action. Think of it like a straw sucking up liquid. The wick pulls the melted wax toward the flame. Once the liquid wax reaches the flame, it vaporizes into a gas. This gas then reacts with oxygen in the air in a process called combustion. Combustion is a chemical reaction that produces heat, light, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. This is what keeps the flame burning. Did you know a candle flame has distinct zones? Let's take a closer look. The blue zone at the base is where the wax vapor mixes with oxygen and begins to burn. The yellow zone is the brightest part of the flame where incomplete combustion produces soot and light. The faint outer glow is where the remaining gases burn off completely. Each zone tells a story about the chemistry happening inside the flame. Ever noticed how a candle flame flickers? This happens because of air currents around the flame. As hot air rises, cooler air rushes in to take its place, creating tiny movements in the flame. Even your breath or a gentle breeze can make the flame dance. The flame doesn't just produce light, it also generates heat. This heat melts the wax around the wick, creating a pool of liquid wax. As the wax is consumed, the candle gradually burns down. This cycle continues until the wax is gone, or the wick can no longer draw fuel. The wick doesn't burn away completely because it's coated in wax. As the wax melts, it cools the wick, preventing it from burning too quickly. This is why the wick only chars at the tip and remains intact throughout the candle's life. Candles are more than just a source of light. They're used in celebrations, religious ceremonies, and even emergencies. Understanding the science behind candle burning helps us appreciate this simple yet incredible invention. And there you have it, the science behind candle burning. From the wick's capillary action to the chemistry of combustion, every part of a candle plays a role in creating its warm, glowing flame. If you enjoyed this 3D animation explanation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the science of everyday objects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.